Yo! I'm out here taking a beautiful walk on this nice, cold day. Weather.
It's currently windy and 24 degrees.
Oh man, 24 degrees like the other vlog day that I walked with the boxes. But I got a hat on. I'm comfy indeed. Siri doesn't tell you the wind chill factor or how windy it is. She just tells you it's windy and 24 degrees. I have to walk because if I take the car, I'm not going to find a spot. How far is my walk? Far enough, because I got to return the same way with some things. So off I go and get on going. Now, I did start my vlog, my day, and this is another day and all. This is during a nice, bright, sunny day in your eyes, not mine. But coming back is going to be in my eyes and not yours. I straightened out my hat. Nobody told me my hat was not straight. Oh yeah, man. Let me tell you, I got my things fixed. Off I go. And yeah, man, it wasn't that hard to do. You know, we all try to share the fun and show all the right way of doing things. It's amazing. I just don't have the right glue. I did something for Sis, and I want to thank everybody for what they supplied. And man, let me tell you, it came out nice. Too bad it wasn't the USB-C rechargeable that could roll down by itself. Did a nice job. Oh man, I gotta turn around. I gotta go get my paperwork. Maybe they'll just know it by name. I made it to where I need to be at, just about. Get on going. Oh, look at this, man. They got my little hanging fan. So I did what I needed to do. Now the sun's not in your eyes. It's in my eyes. Man, I can head upstairs, relax, and look at those cloud formations. What a beautiful day it is at 24 with the wind blowing. The flare of the camera causing a distortion in your video of trumpets. Do the trumpets bother all, bother some, bother none? Like I said, the cloud formation. Well, I gotta go find some 18650s, 6 of them. That's what I need. And yeah, I gotta, 3.7 volt them parallel and get my solar panel when it's warmer. And that'll be in a couple of days. And I gotta work on that and make my connections. And all I gotta do is just connect. Then I'm all done. Well, DJI, you didn't feel me in the extreme cold. I don't have gloves on. Yeah, did a good job. And on that note, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Time for me to get on out of here and watch my head over that tree. Well, I'm 500 away, and that's what I'm waiting for. And I hope you enjoyed the sounds of the DJI Mic 2, and this one is the Eternal Audio. I'm out of here.